you're, roaming around with 5 millionaires, and if you're the 6th person, you will be the 6th millionaire, And if you're roaming around with 5 bomb people, and if you're the 6th person, you will be the 6th bomb person.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a day in the life of a 19-year-old millionaire. I had to sleep in the office currently. I'm gonna show you guys the time. It's currently 5:06 a.m. So yeah, currently 5:06 a.m. I just looked at my book. We have amazing stuff happening today. If you guys don't already know, this is something that I do every single day. I basically write down my goals for the next day and what I basically have to do and go through. And I've got a lot of meetings. I'm gonna take you guys over all of the meetings. And the first thing we gotta do is pray, inshallah, Fajr. And after the Fajr prayer, we are gonna go and probably hit the gym. After the gym, we're gonna be going over my whole day, how it's gonna go. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just jump into it.
Boys, we just made it to this beautiful masjid. Inshallah, after I'm done praying Fajr, I'm gonna let you guys know about the day plan and tell you guys what I'm gonna do, inshallah. Boys, we just got done with the prayer. Alhamdulillah, it was one of the best feelings, boys. If you guys don't pray Fajr in the masjid, make sure you guys do. I don't do it a lot often too, but it's something that I have to consider, inshallah. It's one of the best feelings. Today, right now, after I'm done with the prayer, I'm gonna go home, probably take a quick nap because I still haven't got my full sleep. And after I'm done with the full nap, I'm gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's do it, inshallah. Alright boys, I'm at the gym right now, super early morning, but we are gonna get the boxing workout done. So today we have boxing session and let's get the workout done.
More than just your looks, but you're the baddest round. This is a PSA, if you a TSA, I let you pat me down.
Alright boys, we have a quick stop. We're gonna eat at Madness real quick and then we are gonna go to Top Golf because I'm a bit hungry, so we're gonna have some nice food, go to Top Golf and then probably have something over there as well, so let's do it. Yeah. Alright boys, we got Rashid with me. We're gonna be doing a 1v1 punching challenge. Let's see who wins. Yo, bro's got power, bro. We got one more. One more? Yeah. Yo, that is huge. That is huge, boys. Oh, you're okay. Yeah, that was good. Alright boys, I'm with Rashid right here. If you guys don't know him already, he's my partner. Say hello to my YouTube channel, Rashid.
Hey guys, how are you doing?
Alright, so basically Rashid's been my friend for a long time and now we have started our own business together, something that we have been working on for like a long time now. And it's been turning out great. I'm gonna let you guys know what it is though, inshallah, very soon. And yeah, you want to tell people about you?
Well, I used to be Ehsanszz student at the beginning, and it just got one business call to turn everything around. Long time ago. Feels like yesterday, but it's been one hell of a ride. We are continuously creating content, and we are trying our best to give value to our students, check up on them, and we're trying to give them as incentives as we can to keep them with us so we can see their journey to success.
And alhamdulillah, I'm so happy to have, like-minded people around me. Alhamdulillah, my circle is filled with winners, which is the best thing, alhamdulillah. If you're, roaming around with 5 millionaires, and if you're the 6th person, you will be the 6th millionaire, And if you're roaming around with 5 bomb people, and if you're the 6th person, you will be the 6th bomb person. So always make sure you choose your circle right. Your circle is the most important thing. And right now, I think it's our time to play the game. So let's just go.
Yeah. All right, so you got this going.
I got you. I got 4. Easy work, boys. This is how you do it. If you have never played Jenga, you can take my coaching lesson. Oh shit.
There you go. Okay.
I saw light. I lost.
Oh man.
Boys, we have got a partnership challenge. Since he won in the jungle, I don't think so he can win me and Top Golf. We're gonna see who can shoot the most furthest, and we're gonna see who can get the highest score. So, you guys are gonna be watching a fair game. Let's do it. Does he have it? Does he have it? Does he have it? Oh my God, that was amazing.
Just checking.
He pranked us,
Go.
Look. I told you boys he pranked us. I told you boys. Look at the score. I've been playing games, but he doesn't know I'm actually a professional golf player. So let me just show him.
Okay.
That's the last one. That's the last one. Look. Just watch. Keep watching. I told you guys, no more playing, all right? Let me play straight.
It hit the last one, yeah, right there.
We are still in the first place. Got the highest score in the game. Let's go.
This is my lucky ball.
Oh my days, that was far.
Khalas. That's the one. Right inside.
Your boy is winning double, not even once, but double. That's crazy, bro. I'm just saying. Come on, partner. Damn, that was a clean shot. All right, boys. Your boy got first. He got second. It doesn't really matter because like total added score, it adds up to like a partnership. So good one. His first time, by the way. I've played a lot, so if you guys are good at golf and you live in Dubai, always hit me up on Insta. I'm down to a challenge, a fun challenge. You know what I mean? No betting though. That's haram. We keep it halal.
Always a halal way.
Yeah, always a halal way. Anyways, it was an amazing day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys want more daily vlogs, always let me know, inshallah.